The 3-Tier Spice Rack Pulldown from Hardware Resources, helping organize your kitchen in 11 minutes or less. Unpackage the individual components and familiarize yourself with all the parts. Install the rubber washers at all 8 connecting points, 2 on each end of the pull-down basket and 1 on each end of the support arms as shown. Find and mark the center of the cabinet. From the center, either to the left or right, mark over 6 inches. Then, from the very front of the cabinet, mark back 9 inches. Install the first mounting support. Make sure the wider portion of the support is pointing upward. Align the rear hole of the bracket on the mark you have made and secure with one of the wood screws provided. Making sure the bracket is parallel with the cabinet wall, install the front screw. Make sure that the loop on the top of each support arm is facing forward when installing the arms. Position the rear support arm in the upper rear hole in the bracket and install the front support arm in the lower front hole. Slide on the other mounting bracket, making sure to match the same hole alignment as the other side. Now measure 5 3/4 inches to the front of the bracket from the front of the cabinet and secure with 2 wood screws provided. It is easier to install these screws if you rest the rear arm against the back of the cabinet and lay the front arm on the bottom of the cabinet. Install the Spice Rack Pulldown by placing the front support arm on the front support peg of the basket and then the rear arm on the rear peg. Repeat for the other side. Cycle the organizer in and out of the cabinet to make sure it clears doors and hinges, and that it rests level on the front of the cabinet when pulled down.